Hi friends, I'm Errorslayer. Today I'll show you how to duplicate a page in Microsoft Word. I will show you two different methods. If you are ready, let's get started. First, click on the Insert tab at the top and click on the blank page on the left. A new blank page has been added. Now go back to the page you want to duplicate. Select all by pressing Ctrl-A, then copy by pressing Ctrl-C and return to a blank page. Now paste using Ctrl-V keys. As you can see, the main page has been duplicated. Let's move on to method 2. Click on page 1 of 1 below left. Click once on the page you want to duplicate and press Ctrl-C to copy it. Then paste by pressing Ctrl-V without clicking anywhere. As you can see, it has been successfully duplicated. I hope you found how to duplicate a page in Microsoft Word tutorial helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Errorslayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.